enunciate or it gets weird fast.
A hush falls over the mob.
Your mom has sprung a leak.
Now look into his eyes. And look into your own heart. Find there, if you can, the power of mercy. I ask you now, is it your innermost desire to kill this man where he kneels? Hold a moment! I get what you want to do! Here's the moment of truth! Here's the moment that will affect your champions their entire lives!
It is about to affect my life.
So I ask all of you good people, does he live or die? My champions, I believe in your hearts and your strength of character and your ability to reject the call of violence of this mob.
No mercy!
Even if it does come from your mommies and daddies.
No mercy!
Sometimes we need love the most when we deserve it the least. Now choose and repeat after me. As I am a gentleman or a gentlewoman. Say it.
Louder.
You can be whatever you want to be.
It's a time of change. Say, I will spare your life.
Give you no mercy.
This time. Say, this time.
Give you no mercy.
Now take 2 steps back.
Back to the line.
Stand together, shoulder to shoulder, straight line.
Straight
Stand
line.
back, shoulder to shoulder. I'm very proud of you, and so is the mob. Say to him, on your feet, sir. Swords across your heart. Prepare to take your bow as this mob. Now before Lord's Lays, your champions take their bow, I have this to say to all of you. On behalf of my partner and myself, we are the nature of mercy. I know you don't. And this is how we make our living.
Back in line.
So please, help us keep doing it. When the show's over, we'll be passing our hats. We entertain all of you. You throw whatever you can, a 5 or 10 in our hats. And remember this, it takes a village to raise a child.
And it takes a child to get a 20 out of dad.
Swords cross your heart. Prepare to take your bow as this mob applauds uproariously. Give it up for the kids. All right, if you buy a sword, put the swords back in the green bag over by that red card.
Good job, you fighters. Good job.